Not sure how to use your Chigo AC Remote? Model number ZH-LW03. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Chigo AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the Econo button to activate energy saving mode. The air conditioner limits maximum power consumption while maintaining comfortable cooling or heating, helping reduce electricity usage. Press the airflow button to adjust the strength and direction of the air being blown from the unit. Each press changes the fan speed or louver position, allowing you to customize airflow for optimal comfort. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature, perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling, great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling, ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. The high power button instantly boosts the air conditioner's cooling or heating performance to its maximum level, quickly reaching your desired temperature before returning to normal operation automatically. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the hours button to set or adjust the timer duration in hours. It's used with the timer function to program when the air conditioner should turn on or off automatically. Press the minute button to adjust the timer setting in 1-minute increments. Use it along with the hour button to set precise on or off times for the air conditioner. If your Chigo AC Remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press the clock button gently using a pin or paperclip to access the clock settings. This allows you to set or adjust the time, and pressing it again with the pin or paperclip exits the clock setting mode. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Chigo AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.